Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Aspect's Fruit Enzyme Mask. This is a mini power peel exfoliator which will help you maintain a radiant look by dissolving dead skin buildup and enhancing ingredient uptake. In this mask are vital skin nutrients to keep your skin fresh and revitalized. A cocktail of antioxidants like acai berry, kakadu plum and vitamin C, enzymes from pineapple and papaya fruit and aloe vera for calming and soothing. Now the benefits of this fruit enzyme mask is it exfoliates, calms, hydrates and provides antioxidant protection. Now it's suitable for all skin types including sensitive skin, great for sun-damaged, dehydrated, dry, oily or congested skin. You would apply to damp skin or you can simply just wet your fingertips. Massage gently all over the face in lovely small circular movements. It can be used up to 3 times per week for oily congested skins or prone to breakouts. Otherwise, once weekly is sufficient. Now it works great with any of your favorite Aspect moisturizers. Just as a tip, it also can be used post procedures. So if you're having a treatment, but just check with your therapist first, you can use this on as a mask to calm and soothe for about 5 minutes on your skin. So if you would like to purchase the Aspect Fruit Enzyme Mask, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below.